Hey guys, it's Leah Buckles from Prestige Worldwide Medical Consulting. I am a physician assistant, U.S. Army veteran. I wanted to come on today and discuss some things about medical records. So I've done some videos in the past about medical records and how we kind of review them in our records review process when we're writing medical opinions for VA disability cases. But sometimes veterans just don't know how to access their own records, right? So, you may go to TRICARE online and find some of your active duty records. You might have like a thick file that you've carried around with you your entire career. They may have gotten lost. There's tons of things that can happen to records over time. But today I want to focus on VA medical records and how you may be able to access some of those, all right? So there are several ways that you can ask for them. You can go down there and request them. You can, log on to My HealtheVet and check them out. And that's kind of what I wanted to go over today is logging into My HealtheVet and some of the things that you can do in that application, right? So not only can you review your medical records, you can also do things like refill your prescriptions. You can ask a question to your care team. They may or may not be able to answer you in that platform. They may say, hey, we need you to come in so we can discuss this, but it's something they may be able to do for you in that platform. You might be able to request an appointment. You can view your labs, x-ray reports, if they've been read already by the physician. You can, like I said, you can do a lot of things. You can review records, you can secure message with your provider, schedule appointments, and basically tons of stuff, right? Everything related to the VA medical appointment side of the house, you should be able to try to do in that platform. Okay, so let me flip my camera around so you guys can see what I see. So, it's my little PowerPoint that I have made up. I'm not the best with, toggling from one platform to another. But so I made this how to download VA medical records, a guide for downloading a veteran's VA medical records from My HealtheVet, right? So the first thing you're going to do is go to myhealth.va.gov. And you can see all those things that I discussed earlier that you can kind of do, right? So you're going to sign in. If you do not have a login, a username and password already, you can also register and get a username and password, okay? After that, you're going to, like I said, you're going to sign in. You can use your username and password. Sometimes they have this ID me thing. You can use your DS login. You can, I don't think you can use a CAT card. I'm not sure if you're still in the military, in the reserves or National Guard. So the next thing, the first screen that's going to come up, as you can see, is you're going to be able to see these different, applications you can use in here. There are different levels, right? A premium account, you can pretty much do a lot of things in here. But if you want to download medical records, you're gonna come over here. As you can see, click blue button medical reports indicated by this red arrow here. So you're gonna click on your blue button medical report, okay? Then it's gonna take you to this screen over here, and you're gonna click VA blue button report, okay? The next step is you're going to select a date range for the records that you want to obtain, okay? You're going to make sure that you select a date that captures all of your medical documentation for the conditions that you're looking to look at, right? So you don't want to just look at, maybe the last 3 months. You want to look at 1 year, or you want to look at, all time periods, right? And then you're going to select the type of information that you want. Right? So the type of information, you're going to put all types of information, right? So that's going to populate labs, x-rays, medical records, secure messaging reports, all that kind of good stuff. Okay. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to hit submit. Okay. As you can see, you can select, if you want to, you can select individualized things. But again, if you're looking for your full medical record, you want to select all, right? And then you're going to hit submit. Lastly, you're going to get to this page where it downloads everything, okay? And then you can download it as a PDF, and then you have all your copies, right? So basically at this point, you can download these records anytime you want from that platform. So, let's say you just go to an appointment once a year, you can download them. If you want to see if they uploaded stuff for you, you can, that you fax or email over to them, you can check on that. I hope this was helpful. A lot of veterans don't really realize how helpful the My HealtheVet platform is and how obtaining your medical records can be fairly simple. You don't have to go down to the VA and request them. You can just download them yourself. So I hope that quick little tutorial gave you guys some good information, and please let me know if there's anything else you guys would like to know about, and we'll try to get some new videos out. Thanks a lot.